nating amunin ang hawak ko nung ako'y nangarap. Mga kapatid na aso ako'y yakap, nilawayan upang hindi na bumuka ang karat. At humarang sa mga ayaw na mabaawa, binuksan ang pintuan ng tahanan nila, ako'y pinatuloy maginaw, sinindihan ng apoy. Walang taguan ng baraha, maglaro man ng pusoy, maluwag ang huminga kahit na ano pang amoy. Kilala namin ang isa't isa, kahit na kapaligid ay mag-iba. Buwag barya, lagi kaming may paninda. Sagot kita ano man ang tanong nila. Alisin na sa usapan ng korona at trono, isa lang ang may karapatan, ayoko. Kahit kung minsan ako ay tila bawala sa tono, aawit pa rin kapag pinasabay sa koro ng todo. Malak sa agos, kami nakatawid, sumabay sa alon. Kami ang nanaig, umalak sa hamon. Sa'yo na ang supli, hindi na pagod, kaya kami nakarating. Umalak sa agos, kami nakatawid, sumabay sa alon. Kami ang nanaig, umalak sa hamon. Sa'yo na ang supli, hindi na pagod, kaya kami nakarating. Sinado ang parada, palaruan ninangkin, walang babala sa dilugang dumating. Namulat ang maglas at talas ng patalim, nagliyab ang entablado, alam mo sino nagsindi. Ginawang araw ang gabi, mga pagkakataon ay pinagtahi-tahi. Tugod pawis ang alay, kada ambag, kada tari. Bubuhi subuhay, kada lapag, kada lagari. Siyera kung gera, san man ang pwesto, asanggal na namin ang krudo para sa puso. Taas bandera, taas kamao, sabay nating buhati ng bigat ng mundo. Sumuntok sa buwan at naging talasigwan, salamat kay Batala, siyang bahala, siya nawa. Mingin sa det hanggang kasalukuyan, kami bakal at apoy na walang kamatayan. Pumalak sa agos, kami na atuwid, sumabay sa alon. Kami ang nanaig, pumalak sa hamon. Sa'yo na ang supli, hindi na pagod, kaya kami nakarating. Ingat pa parang baga na hinenipan, sigurado maapoy, di mahina-hinagisan pa ng mga sinulat ang pahina. Kapag tumatagal, umiinit ang makina, sinasakal, di mapipigil ang paghinga. Akin na, labinagyan na laman ng balde, di nababasa kahit na umangge. Kulang ang sabi-sabi pag kami pinatabi, darating agad-agad lalapag araw o gabi. Tila musika sa tenga, parang kamot sa kate. Ako ay tagahanga na pinagpala, nakamit ang pagpangarap na walang daya. Di mahirap sa amin na mapaubaya, bitawan ng ganito pang tayo'y lumaya. Kahit sa malayo ang sadya, hindi nang hina ang pagpadyak. Kahit pa sa laot inulan, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagsagwan. Kahit na matayo kang lipad, mga paay sa lupa, naglalakad, lagi uhaw sa pakikipadigma. Kaluluwa'y busog sa biyaya. Pumalak sa agos, kami nakatawid, sumabay sa alon. Kami ang nanaig, pumalak sa hamon. Sa'yo na ang sugli, hindi na pagod, kaya kami nakarating. Pumalak sa agos, kami nakatawid, sumabay sa alon. Kami ang nanaig, pumalak sa hamon. Sa'yo na ang sugli, hindi na pagod, kaya kami nakarating. Parang baga na hinipan, sigurado nga ako'y di mahina. Hinagisan pang mga sinulat ang pahina. Kapag tumatagal, umiinit ang makina, sinasakal, di mapipigil ang paghinga. Akin na. Lahat na lang gusto mong wasakin, lahat na lang gusto mong pasabugin. Kung magkalang lahat ay hahamakin, kung magtapat ang taksil, sinungaling. Diretso, walang preno, sa kasino, kahit na sino, insido. Isasama kahit na sino, nagbago ang sheet ng hangin. Di ka na pala sa akin na dati nakatingin. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, Ang walang katapusang pagsubok, ang walang katapusang kamalasan, ang krus kong pasan, ang parusa, ang sumpa, ang pagsuko, nagbago. Ang ihip ng hangin, hindi ka na pala sa akin nagkatingin. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, sinungaling. Nakakapagod sumalo, gulo mo, mga tae, di porket mahal ka, gago ka palagi. Ang ihip ng hangin, hindi ka na pala sa akin nakatingin. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, inosente. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, sinungaling. Kung magtapat ang taksil, imposible. Kung magtapat ang taksil, sinungaling. Ang taksil di na bale, kung magtapat ang taksil sinungaling. Walang puso, walang puso, walang puso. Patalong ka na ba mula sa sinasakyan na nagdala sa'yo sa taas? Pala magpakalunod sa bisyo sa luhod. Bitawan mo na ba paniniwalang nagdulot sa'yo para lang magpakabaliw sa paghanap ng aliw? Kapit ng mahigpit, kapatid, kumapit ng mahigpit, kapatid, huwag kang bumitaw. Ka ba lumalayo sa mismong kadugo? Kailan naniwang nagluluksa? Nakalimutan mo na ba? Halalaga nila, ba't ka ba sumusuko? Sa mapagsubok naman, di ka mamatay, di ba? Dapat lalo ka ang tumitibay. Sunog lang ng sunog, sunog ka ng sunog, sunog ka ng sunog, sunog ka ng sunog. Kapit ng mahigpit, kapatid, kumapit ng mahigpit, kapatid, huwag kang bumitaw. mo ng sagot, tulong pahingi ng gamot, kahit panandali ang lunas para lang kumalma. Ba't ka ba napapasunog sa sarili mong apoy? Ba't ka ba napapasunog sa sarili mong apoy? Kapit na mahigpit, kapatid, kumapit at pumamitay. I'll be back later, before the sun sets, my dear. I won't keep you waiting, I promise. We'll have candles lit over supper by the garden where we used to, you know. 'Cause tomorrow will be another struggle, another battle only harder. You know this is madness, so always watch your back, watch your steps. I can't always be there to catch them bullets. I can't do this on my own. Can't stand alone again, can't these foes. I need you to hold. Do we stay out, drown in mud, accept this is fate? Have we gone faithless? Do we just die, run away from crisis? Have we gone hopeless? I can't do this on my own, can't stand alone against these foes. I need you to hold on, I need you to hold your line, stand your ground. One by one we'll take you down. Hold your line, stand your ground. One by one we'll take you down. Hold your line, stand your ground. One by one we'll take you down. Hold your line, stand your ground. Give them what they want, let's give them more. We chose our downfall, the one scrape a lot of circle crumble. Now we need a miracle, we need a miracle. I am your karma, your justice, your strength has become your weakness. I am your capital punishment, death awaits you in a minute. I am your karma, your justice, I bow down to no enemy. I submit not to tyranny. I am freedom, I am free. Hold your line, stand your ground. One by one we'll take you down. Hold your line, stand your ground. One by one we'll take you down. Hold your line, stand your ground. One by one we'll take you down. Hold your line, stand your ground. Give them what they want, let's give them more. It's a shame that you would show around path around sand. I'm the water that runs these paths, the cleansing of this land. It's a shame that you were built showing path around sand. I'm the water that runs the cleansing of this land. Abot ng kamay sa bayakat, Bulungan, kamusta na kaibigan? Ayos ba tayo dyan, tapik sa balikat, sabay kingdat ingat. Nag-aalala lang, kala mo meron nga siyang pakialam, pero pagkatalikod kanya, kanyang gawaan ng kwentong sino ang bidas, no ang lamang kanya, kanyang siran. Alam mo ba yan, si ganyan supod yan, mas astig ako dyan. At kung makatawa, kala mo ang lupit-lupit niya't magaling sa lahat. Kaso ikaw na nakangiti, nakikinig, wag ka na manghusga. Ano ba naman ang pinakay? Iba natin sa kanila, nakakalimot, nadudulas, napupuno pero nagmamahal, nakakalungkot, nakatawa, tao lang pero minsan. Daig mo ba ang ahas? Anong klaseng mukha kaya suot mo bukas? Daig mo ba ang ahas? Kaninong puwet kaya hahalikan mo bukas? Yan ka na naman, kumakamada, di ka na nahiya na pupumilit makisiksik sa kahit di mo lungga. Di mo butas para maging pabigat, manira managas at magpahirap ng kapwa balimbing na kumakapit sa kung sino lang ang mainit. Ngunit mas kadirit, mas mabaho ka pa sa basura. Kapag naubusan, pagkatapos mong busugin ay tinatangay na ng hangin. Kung sa bagay, paran pa naman daw ang kaibigan kung hindi mo rin siya gagamitin. Nakakalimot, nadudulas, napupuno pero nagmamahal, nakakalungkot, nakakatawa, tao lang pero minsan. Ang ahas, ahas, anong klase mo ka? Kaya suwag mukas, daig mo bukas. Ang ahas, kaninong puwet kaya hahalikan mo bukas? Sinasayawan, sinasabayan ang ihip at sipol ng hangin. Nasilaw sa ilong na dahon, nakisawsaw sa balita, para lang masabing andun siya, nakilog sa sadra ng iba. Kunwari na luha pa, reklamo na mungang pagkagong di naman pumaparehas, bidang-bida, nakikisag sa galing ng iba. Oh, daig mo pa ang ahas, anong klaseng muka kaya suwat mo bukas? Daig mo pa ang ahas, kaninong puwet kaya hahalikan mo bukas? Sinasayawan, sinasabayan ang ihip at sipol ng hangin. Whoa, I forget how the West was won, I forget if this was ever fun. I just learned these people only raise you. Occasion Sarahs and Hannahs in their Sunday best, clutching their pearls, sighing what a mess. I just learned these people try and save you, 'cause they hate you. Too high a horse for a simple girl to rise above it. They slammed door on my whole world, the one thing I wanted. Now I'm running with my dress unbuttoned, screaming, but daddy, I love him. I'm having his baby, no I'm not, but you should see your faces. I'm telling him to floor through the fences. No, I'm not calling up my senses. I know he's crazy, but he's the one I want. Dutiful daughter, all my plans were laid, tendrils tucked to a woven braid. Growing up precocious sometimes, not growing up at all. He was chaos, he was revelry, bedroom eyes like a remedy. Soon enough, the elders had convened down at the city hall. Stay away from her, the saboteurs protested too much. Lord knows the words we never heard, just screeching tires and true love. And I'm running with my dress unbuttoned, screaming, but daddy, I love him. I'm having his baby. No, I'm not, but you should see your faces. I'm telling him to floor it through the fences. No, I'm not, come my senses. I know he's crazy, but he's the one I want. I'll tell you something right now, I'd rather burn my whole life down than listen to one more second of all this bitching and moaning. I'll tell you something about my good name, it's mine alone, the disgrace. I don't cater to all these vipers dressed in empath clothing. Shit, God save the most judgmental creeps who say they want what's best for me, sanctimoniously performing soliloquies I'll never see, thinking it can change the beat of my heart when he touches me, kind of licking the chemistry. And on you ain't gotta pray for me and my wild boy, and all of this wild joy. If all you want is great for me, then it's just white noise and it's just my choice. There's a lot of people in town that I bestow upon my fakest smiles. Scandal does funny things to pride, but brings lovers closer. We came back when the heat died down, went to my parents and they came around. All the wine moms are still holding out, but fuck them, it's over now. I'm dancing in my dress, Sunday audience just loves him. I'm his lady, oh my God, you should see your faces. Time doesn't it give some perspective? No, you can't come to the wedding. It's the one I want. I'll tell you something right now, you ain't gotta pray for me, me and my wild boy and all of this wild joy. If all you want is great for me, then it's just white noise. It's my heart screaming, but daddy, I love him. I'm having this baby. No, I'm not, but you should see your faces. But oh my God, you should see your faces. He was chaos, he was get mystified by the way you see us fucking fly. You cry, you die when the smoke get through your eye. Respect like brother, all in together. We stay on the top like the Ark of Noah. See us in vernacular, no, I think not. Cause all you do is watch TV and smoke pot. We spot everything is like a big dot. Diddity dot dot, who's hot? Diddity dot dot, who's not? Kill you on the stage like De Niro, burn you in Inferno and survive like Desperado. One family, not enemy, peace and unity. Can you love me? Can't bring us down. We are the sound of the new age. Open the gates of heaven. Here comes the sound, here comes the rhyme. Here comes the rhyme. What? Well, listen carefully. You know if I were you, I'd go to room with the bass, with the oom. Zoom is the king, yeah, whatever you call it, unless you wanna sing, cause my brother's gonna sing. And don't forget to say cheese, going down and rest in peace. If you wanna feel fine, let me go, boy. I'm down to the ground with the sound of the hound. And yet you say, what's up, Mr. P.I.G. The evil clown is coming. Slap shock, slap it up, pack it up, buck it up. That's about it, now we're down to the house, slapping it up for the West Coast stuff. Should we trust no one? We're taking you high. Come and see the sky. Come on, let's fly. Come and see the sky. I can't hear, now wipe your tears. I don't wanna hear you say a word to me. Slap shot cock, getting named at 9 block. I'm gonna flock a motherfucker waiting to be shot in their hearts. So start the execution. Are you ready for some action? Living in addiction, guaranteed satisfaction. Cheese whiz, the rattlesnake with the killer kiss, bringing you the music just like this. Boom, hit you like Zoom, winning all the battle against the villain. Dr. Doom will lock you up in room, taking all that gloom. The hounds with the killer sound, blasting you pound for pound, just like Ali knocking you down on the first round, putting you 6 feet underground. We're taking you high. Come and see the sky. Come on, let's fly. Come and see the sky. I can't hear, now wipe your tears. I don't wanna hear you say a word to me. With big blocks of rocks as walls covered with thorns. I hurt all the time cause I keep on hitting them. No matter what I do, no matter where I go, I bleed cause like the seeds they sow and grow. My wounds just like the trees. And I'm scared cause I'm gonna get scarred again. This ain't gonna end cause I haven't found the cure. I haven't found the medicine. It's just a motherfucking cycle to a wheel of a bicycle where pain is recycled to another situation, another inevitable frustration. You know what? I only win by losing, giving in, screaming, giving in, crying. So I stay in the middle away you. The $60, so the box gets smaller and smaller. Now I can hardly breathe. Can someone save me before I close my eyes? Mr. Yaxley, I'm study break to Tuesday. Before I go, it's sweet to take something really steam. After I'm with the love, then Stissel balls with the Ferris wheels, coaster rides and carousel. I don't know what dress, we just now we're falling apart. I'm puny, I'm weak, but I appear to be strong. Cause like you, I also have horns. But do I look like a demon? But I scare the other demons and even my own reflection. Cause what I see in the mirror is the terror of living in the pleasure of tolerated errors. But I can't do anything, I'm just a demon in a flock of so-called angels that are pretending to be clean angels. Angels go away, come again another day. Your little demon wants to play. Sometimes I get to think that on here. See, I deserve better than my pain and my fear. Denials and pretensions, lies and accusations. But not wrong, cause this is my home, where I've always wanted to be, where I am. God damn! You gotta pay the price if you want freedom. I'm Mr. Jack, I'm pretty fucked as I'm locked and I'm trapped in this little box with little cells, with Ferris wheels, coaster rides and carousels. I'm living in a world where it's fair to be unfair, but unfair to be fair. Angels, angels go away, come again another day. Your little demon wants to play. Minsan gusto ko nang iwanan ng larong ito, pero di nila ako pinapayagan. Buti na lang din niyaya ng isang munting supling, kaya muling ginanahan. Kaahon lang sa putik, ngayon dalaga na. Di na mamamadali, di na tatanga-tanga. Buti na pamol pamuli, hindi na ako magsusugal. Si Judas kung makahalik, ngayon alam mo na. Babangon ako, di matatakot sa'yo. Sasalubungin ang ano kahit lagpas tao pa to. Kasi babangon ako, di matatakot sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari sa'min ay babangon ako. Ang bagong ako ngayon ang panahon. Buksan ng isipan, lumabas sa kahon. Ang bagong ako ngayon ang panahon. Aking angkinin bawat pagkakataon. Buong pangarap ko ay hindi madaling gawin, pero pinilit abutin parang ring sa gin. Pinilit kong palaki na munting bituin. Pinilit kong paputin ang kulay uling na dingding. Kaya't kung mayroon kang naisip, pilitin mong gawin. Kasi di mo man gawin, nagsisi ka pa rin kahit ito. Ang importante mayroong ginawa, kasi walang impossible, pero mayroong himala. Minsan gusto ko nang iwanan ng larong ito, pero hindi nila ako pinapayagan. Buti na lang din niyaya ng isang munting supling, kaya muling ginanahan. Minsan gusto ko nang iwanan ng larong ito, pero hindi nila ako pinapayagan. Buti na lang din niyaya ng isang munting supling, kaya muling ginanahan. Bangon ako, di matatakot sa'yo. Sasalubungin ang ano kahit lagpas tao pa to. Asawang bagong ako, di matatakot sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari sa'kin ay babangon ako para sa bagong ako ngayon ang panahon. Buksan ng isipan, lumabas sa kahon para sa bagong ako ngayon ang panahon. Aking angkinin bawat pagkakataon. Sa Diyos ang daan, sa'kin ang paraan. Wala nang babaw, walang daig na yan. Hindi mapapaanod sa alon, di mapapagod o matakot pumasok sa kahit anong kasaya. Huwag magpapasigurado kung di ka pa preparado. Tarantado kang gago, pakahapang papon nandyan sa wakas. Ika'y dumping kapayapaan ng dala. Pangarap kong bituin hawak na tira. Lumilipat ang oras, wag magpunyagi. Dahil napakaraming ahas na magaling magkunwari. Mga dating kong kaibigan na naging katunggali, at mga dating kaalitan na nakikipagbate. Pero ang bagong ako, di matatakot sa'yo. Sasalubungin ang ano kahit lagpas tao pa to. Kasi ang bagong ako, di matatakot sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari sa'kin ay babangon ako. Ang bagong ako ngayon ang panahon. Buksan ng isipan, lumabas sa kahon. Bagong ako ngayon ang panahon. Aking aakinin bawat pagkakataon. Minsan gusto ko nang iwanan ang larong ito, pero hindi nila ako pinapayagan. Buti na lang din niyayanan ng isang munting supling, kaya muling ginanahan. Minsan gusto ko nang iwanan ang larong ito, pero hindi nila ako pinapayagan. Buti na lang din niyayanan ng isang munting supling, kaya muling ginanahan.
I thought you patched my holes, but even dug a deeper wound. 'Cause I'm your puppet, I'm your clown.